are not attending properly. Only 6 members. So because it's difficult to find all these notes also. Monday onwards, at least for 4 or 5 days, I don't take any practical based sessions. So you'll get to know what are the theory things. Morning and afternoon theory is there. So obviously you have a little time, means to at least spend at least half an hour, 1 hour for all your previous things like Windows 10 server and Linux. At least try to do it again. Then I will start with practical part. Then it is become big. Okay. Of course, small practicals only there. Big practicals also will be there. So that is we will see later. But what is package management? Okay. I want to work with certain application. I need some application, maybe Python application, maybe Java application, maybe web server, like a application or services, Tomcat server, maybe MySQL services, MySQL database, okay, PostgreSQL, Docker, maybe GitHub, maybe Jenkins, either application or a services. Okay, so we are going to install, right? Either it is application or a service or both. We are install and uninstall. Uninstall means remove. Remember, remove from our system, right? So install to our system or from our system, uninstall from our system, install to our system. So installing and uninstalling of application or a service is a package management. Linux, basically Linux operating systems comes with a very basic packages, not all packages. For example, you install a Linux minimal, you don't get most of the packages. We use expr, bc, lvm, right? These are all not installed previously. And we check while you're installing operating systems, start with the GUI, but also we check some tools kind of stuff, right? Certain tools, libraries, we checked it so that automatically certain tools already available in your system. Otherwise, you have to do installing. Okay. You have to install the related packages to do certain tasks. Okay, like a disk management related, or maybe it is LVM related, or maybe it is a backup related kind of stuff. Yes. One more I forget, that is the another point. This is separate point. It is compress and archive. If I have a time, then I will tell compression and archiving. It is important like a backup type. So if you want to take a backup of data, also we can use this one. So it is also in the backup. Okay, this is in a middleware. This is in backup. LVM, storage related topic. Okay. So do not think it is belongs to only Linux. It can be belongs to so many other modules in our syllabus. Application or services you can able to install and uninstall using a package management. Guys, the most of our Linux packages are basically in a .rpm format. Okay, like you download an application in Windows related packages. What is the extension in Windows? You download any application. What is the extension? Dot extension is there, no? Like, what it is?
exe.
Very good. Dot exe format. vlc.exe, anydesk.exe, python.exe, right? Google Chrome.exe, chrome.exe. whatsapp.exe like this .exe format. .msi formats also there, maybe may not be you have seen. Okay, .exe .msi formats are in MSI. There is different formats also there, MSA, MSU also there. MSU means it's a update. MSC is a update. MSU update format. MSU, MSA both are update formats. I'm not, I will stop. Okay, dot exe dot msa. Of course, there is certain formats, maybe .NET related applications also there, like in your Windows 10 and Windows 8 having a Windows Store, so you can download applications directly from Windows Store. So that is maybe in a different formats. Okay, so like .NET based runtime environment. This is Win32 environment, and this is Windows installer format. MSI means Windows, so Microsoft installer. Windows installer, Microsoft installer is a background service is there to install it. Okay, so what is the background service is Win32 Windows installer, Microsoft installer, .NET framework, .NET based programs you require a .NET framework. Okay, so and also Microsoft installer, Win32. These are all help you to install and run this application. To install and run the applications. Okay, .exe, .msa format. In Linux, one of the format is .rpm. The most popular is .rpm format. Resource package management. So the RPM abbreviation is Red Hat Package Manager. Red Hat Package Manager. Red Hat Package Manager. RPM extension is there. RPM command is also there. Be careful with that. RPM command. Not only this, make install .sh formats. There is so many other formats also there, but mostly the common format is .rpm format. So here it is. This is my Linux physical. So my Linux server. This is my CD. CentOS 7 CD. Go to packages. Packages. These are all default packages. Can you see RPM, .rpm, 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 okay, .rpm, like this. So I will take this is abbreviated Python. So about Python, what it is, whatever it is, I will search for a one thing like a HTTP package. Just for example, understanding. This is HTTP package. Just I need a name. Just go to properties, find a name, RPM package. This is the location. We'll see that one. Yes, I'm going with my RPM part. Okay, already I shared a PPTs. Guys, look at those PPTs. Okay, already I shared certain PPTs. Initially, I shared a PPT that is one PPT, this one. These PPTs already I shared. If in case if you didn't find, I will share all the PPTs again. Okay, this is package management. Here in this one, every details are given. Everything detailed by options are given for a package management. Okay, so RPM. So this is RPM command and RPM extension is there. This is an example of a package. This is the package name. This is the name, version. So it is name, version. It is on which enterprise Linux it will works. Okay. EL7 means enterprise Linux 7. Meaning is this is for a Red Hat 7, CentOS 7, Fedora 7, 7 on it works. EL6 for example, meaning is enterprise Linux 6, means works in a Red Hat 6, CentOS 6. I think you got to understand now. Fedora 6, like that. Any enterprise Linux 6, the package is that one. So from here, two things are there, EL7, EL6 also there, because if you use little less, that is there. So it is this point. Of course, it is specified operating system also. Specified operating system also. So it is like a type. It is not compulsory. Sometimes they specified OS, sometimes not specified OS. EL version and OS version also there. Important is architecture. Okay, very important is architecture. What is this architecture? 32-bit and 64-bit architecture. So 32-bit architecture, it specify as a 32-bit or x86 underscore 32 or just x86, we know that one, or only 32-bit. Also it will specify 386. Okay, i386 or i586. If you see a package or OS, the it is showing i386, i586. The representation is nothing but a 32-bit. I represent Intel, 86 represent Intel. Okay, both represent Intel only. Here also x86 represent Intel. Okay, next 64-bit. So 64-bit usually represent x86 underscore 64, AMD 64, Intel 64 is also there. Intel 64 is there. 64-bit. Sometimes x64, only x64, like that. So these are the representation of 32-bit, 64-bit. So package is 32-bit or a 64-bit. Sometimes no RCH. You know, initially when I learning Linux, means not I never learn Linux. So when I showing Linux packages installation and all, I download a package. It's showing a noarch, NOARCH, noarch. I thought it is what is noarch kind of stuff. That noarch, nothing is noarch. It is nothing but no architecture. Okay, actually meaning is no architecture. It means it's not a 32-bit or 64. Anywhere you can able to install. Guys, remember your Linux OS is 32-bit. Install 32-bit package. The Linux OS is 64-bit. Install 64-bit packages only. Okay. No arc can be installed in 32-bit and as well as 64-bit. No architecture can be installed 32-bit and 64-bit. Intel, AMD, ARM. Also, architecture wise means CPU type is also there. CPU type wise, OS and packages are there. So look at here, Intel, AMD processor, ARM processor, ARM processors. So compulsory check it. What type of processor, what type of operating system you are using, what type of packages. So compulsory it is Intel based or AMD based. Generally it is okay, but ARM is little different from Intel and AMD type of packages. ARM also from Intel only, but so be careful. 32-bit, 64-bit ARM also there. 32-bit, 64-bit ARM like that also will be there. Okay, so be careful. Just everything we can't able to put here. So try to understand. If you see the package name and the version of the package. What is the type with support EL6 or EL7, Enterprise Linux 7, Enterprise Linux. Sometimes operating system will specify. Okay, and generally your architecture also defined in a different ways, 32-bit and a 64-bit ways. Okay, and also I've written it is sometimes no architecture for that one. One more point I want to add it, that is in a SRC is nothing but a source code. Okay, you want to download something Java, or maybe you want to download some OpenStack kind of applications. You download an application, you went to that website, you want to download a application, you went to that website. So there is a few kind of variations are there. One is direct package, source code of the package, LTE version, long term version. Okay, streaming versions are there. Okay, different versions of packages are there. Like we have a beta version, beta version. I'm not talking everything, but just look at when you are downloading. So different. Okay, source code version, LTE version. Long term means better always. LTE versions are stable versions. Okay, so LTE versions are a stable versions. Always prefer LTE versions. Beta versions just trial and error type, means they build a application but not completely tested. Not a user side testing is not done. Only application test is done, but on production test is not completed. So they ask you to test it. How application is there? It is showing any errors while installation, while working. So any issues are there, any problems are there, you have to report it. So then they'll rebuild again. Certain applications are open source applications. So what they will do, they will provide a source code of the package. SRC means source code. SRC means source code package. Beta versions are there, source code versions are there. Next one is streaming versions also there. Streaming versions also there. Streaming. Okay. So still building unstable versions also there. Okay. So for example, your application version 2.54.51. Okay. It is still streaming, means it is new version. Application version 2.4.49 50. This is LTE version. Download LTE version. Okay, not a unstable versions. Like this will be there. Okay, so previous version is a better version, so compulsory. So just try to understand. Maybe 1 hour you see Python kind of stuff, or any other applications like Java kind of stuff, Oracle kind of stuff, anything. You go once, then you will understand the words. Okay. Now only it is I am telling, but I can't able to show you. This is about how package naming is there, just for try to understand how the package naming is there. HTTP or FTP or anything, just you can go to the package. Okay, RPM. We can do installation, remove, upgrade, and verify from the RPM. So these are the what are the package command. These things are very important. Very good. Now, any package management important is how to install a package, how to remove, how to update or upgrade, how to verify, and how to query it is. Okay. So that is also there is a commands, RPM commands are there. See, I means install. I means install. Okay. So here, okay, sir is given some Java related. You can also go through this. Okay, better. What is my package name? Where is the package name? Here it is. So we'll try on this. You may get a errors, no problem. We'll go with errors only. Okay. So for example, I want to install this package. Command is rpm -ivh. Okay. Here -i means install. -v represent verbose. If you don't give v, also no problem. What is a verbose? Guys, what is verbose? Meaning is, for example, I transfer a file from my this folder to another location. What it will shows? How it is transferring, like details. File is transferring. The line it is showing like a 10 GB data, 1 GB transfer, 2 GB transfer, 3 GB transfer. Now 10 GB completed, transfer successful. Okay, the detailing is called a verbose. -v, most of the time -v verbose. Okay, verbose. H means hash. If any hashing is there, means there are using some encryption kind of stuff, hashing kind of stuff. So that will understand by H. Print hash mask as a package archive is unpacked. Okay, for unpacking like this is package, right? So for you have to install, so then print hash marks. Okay, so other combinations like how to check the dependencies. Okay, how to check the dependencies. Okay, this is a combination with the other kind of stuff, so that is always what it is. This is I, Q, P, R. Q means query. Q means query. P means list of capabilities this package provided. Capital R, list a cap on which package is depends. Not only that one, whether your package is installed or not installed. Okay, package is installed, already installed, not installed. If you want to install, then what are the dependencies? Okay, so dependencies are solved like that. We can able to see it. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Like this is installing with recently installed A, B, C, D also there. This is for upgrade. This is for remove. Capital U, VH. So in this one again, capital U means for a update or update or upgrade. Hyphen E, okay, hyphen EH or EV something is there, but whatever it is for a remove or uninstall. Guys, I simply conclude very easily. We need a installation hyphen I for install, that is main one. Hyphen E for remove. Hyphen capital U for update or a upgrade. Hyphen Q for query. Other combinations, verbose, print hash, print hashing H. Okay. Hyphen P, hyphen capital R, hyphen A. It's a combinations. It's not a direct part. I V H, U V H, E V or E V H. Okay. Q P R, Q A, Q I, Q A is the kind of stuff, right? So like that we can able to see QV it is showing here. Next one is yum. So we'll go to yum, but we'll try to do it with a RPM command. Okay, so RPM command use it to install packages. Okay, so that is we will see first, and I will tell few other things when you are doing it. First of all, location of the packages. By default, you can download a package from internet, or you can go to your CD-ROM packages. It is very good. These are the packages are there, but problem is how to tell this location. So right click, properties. This is my location. See, run media root. This is your location. So I'm copying this location. Okay, I'm going like this. cd/run/media root. Okay, see, press the tab button to get it. Finally, package. So I put a P and a tab button. Okay, ls space colonless. Why ls space pipeless? It will show a lot of things. See, these are all lines are there. I want to search about HTTP related one, HTTPD package. So these are the package names are related to one to another one. This is also HTTP, but not HTTPD. No problem. So these are all belongs to HTTP. I copied those kind of stuff. I will tell what I have done. So cd space /run/media/ so I will copy that one. So finally ls space less, then in a colon search HTTP or HTTPD. Then I got these results. I copied here. Okay, like this also you can search it. Make sure that so quit. Again, everything we have to do with the root command only. See this. So this is my PWD now. So I'm there. Now I went. This is HTTP. First of all, I want to query RPM -Q P R my first package name. So you must know the what is this package, or you can use httpd -star.rpm. So these are all no key. Okay, no problem. This is query and the system HTTPS tools is required. It is there already. That is good. And this is dependency. Saral should be update with this one. Okay. So, same goes. Already I told, if in case you are not unable to type all the points in between this one, so nothing, no problem. Just very simple. Remove all these things. Put a star here. But there is a problem will occur. So we'll see that one problem. What is that problem? Because lot of things are started with HTTPD. Okay, see, these are all started with a HTTPD. I put a star, whatever it is. You can install directly also, no problem. Okay, so one by one, this is the package. Okay, it is giving a details. Somewhere another package is also there. So whatever it is, guys, I am trying to install. So before going to install, what is the command I use? Yes, small confusions are there. So this is the command I use. Use a. One second. Yeah, this RPM is also very waste kind of stuff. D is there. IP D C. We'll see. Install I. Not install. Not installed. Okay. Is it installed or not? So this is the details of package. This is the name, version, release, architecture, install, not installed. Okay. So other things. So when it is build date kind of stuff. Okay, that is IP. Next, I put a. So D. It is not installed, so you won't get any documents. Okay. So for RPM, so I tried all these things also. Find out what is FNQA combination, FNQI, FNQIP, FNQD. Already it is there in a there. Okay, so find it. So query completed. It is not installed. So RPM -IVH, the package name. Guys, I already found this package is there. Okay, I already found the package is there in my CD, in my system. Okay, package is there already. I checked it, but we got some problem here. RPM command is correct. No key, failed dependency. This is not installed. What it is showing? Error, failed dependency. Failed dependency. Guys, remember, install any package. It may require to install pre-request. What is pre-request? Pre-request or pre-request also you can tell. Install pre-request packages or settings. Request, it can be a package or a setting or maybe service must be there. Here I am talking about packages, pre-request packages. Package is nothing but a dependency. The meaning is, guys, understand, I want to install an application something 1 2 3. So this application I want to install. To install this application, how to install some other applications, app 01, maybe app 02, 03. If I install these packages, how to install this package? I can able to install this package. If I didn't install this one, I can't install sometimes. Okay, sometimes. No dependencies. Or install a package. No problem. If dependencies are there, if dependency is there for install a package, so first install dependency package and first install the dependency package and package is smallest. Okay, package are a packages and try all install your package. RST and try. It is very simple. Understanding is important. Okay, if dependencies are there, first install the dependencies and try it. Guys, I am telling one more point here. So to install a package, it may require to install a dependencies. For example, another one. So try to understand. To install these packages, for this is the dependencies. To install dependencies, you have to install something like a zero like this. Maybe you have to install this kind of stuff. Okay, understand? You want to install this one. If dependencies are there, you have to install this one. To install this one, you have to install these things. These things. Very big, complex. But don't worry about it. Actually, to show this practical easily, so you have to show this one. Okay, so we need a HTTPD tools. Is a package is available or not? Check it. Yeah, this package is available. First, how to install this package. Okay, we'll see what will happen later. So I think I confused you more. So I'm trying to install this package, but to install this package, it is telling you have to install this package. So in our packages means in my system, I have all these packages, right? I have all these packages. So Control C. How to install this package first. So what I'm trying to do, I have the already built-in packages there. So what I'm doing is RPM IVH. First, I'm trying to install this package. Okay. Copy paste is easy enough. I'll explain it once again. Yeah. Now it is installed. These HTTP tools are installed. Now I'm installing my original package, main package, that is install. Okay, so what I have done, I'm trying to install this package. It is showing a warning. Now I install this, then I install it. Okay, so you have to query whether it is installed or not. Okay, it is showing not installed. Why it is showing not installed? I installed successfully. Nothing. Okay. It is showing not installed, so I don't know why it is not showing. It's showing installed or not installed. So this is I installed successfully, already installed. So when I'm trying again, it is showing already installed. Package is installed successfully. Other things to know it: system TTL status TPD. My mistake. It is inactive, dead, load. It is showing like this. You can start the service. Now check the status. That is showing active and running. So package is installed successful. So service is running. Okay. As in this one, I told only how to install, how to solve the dependency, and how to uninstall. EV to uninstall. Package is not installed. Installed, but it is showing not installed. Why it is showing not installed? IPM-RQ httpd star.rpm. Not installed, not installed. Even it is showing httpd tools also not installed. Why it is ls space /var/ww. It is installed. HTML is there. It is installed, but it is showing rpm -e. Otherwise, -u uvh httpd star. To update these two things are dependencies are required. You have to find these things to install for updating, upgrading. Not install. This is completely disaster. So I will try another package. Another package I will put ls. Lot of packages are there, no problem. /vsftp. Yeah, this is the package. Okay, I'll try to install this package vsftp. Yeah, don't worry guys, it is that's a kind of stuff on what it is, why it is not highlighting. I installed it, but it is showing it is not installed kind of stuff. So this is the package. So q rpm -q. So copy, paste, not installed. Okay, no problem. Then I will install ivh. Yeah, it is not asking dependencies. It is not asking any dependencies. Next, I'm querying again whether it is installed or not. It's still showing not installed. Why it is? Why it is showing not installed, not installed? That's why I don't use this one. It is waste. Yeah, it is installed. That's why it is showing like this. Yeah, installed, guys. This is installed, installed, installed. See. Okay. Package. P means package, right? So, yeah. So it is installed, including you can see HTTPD. It is installed. I installed. Installed date. So that is like a service and package. Both are installed. Okay. Both are installed. Okay. You have to check like this. Okay. The first one is I queried this package is installed or not. Then I install the package. Okay. Then I query installed or not. It is not showing anything. So what I've done, don't do this one like that. So what I've done, I queried whether package is installed or not. Okay. It is not understanding which package it is. No problem. So we'll keep it like this. Then I'm trying to query. So HTTPD is installed or not. This is query part. Okay. We have to do this thing here. Okay. Like this. You have to do it. So I'm in FTP. So no dependencies. So directly it is FTP is installed. Okay. FTP is installed. Now how to upgrade IPN U VH VS FTP D. It is not showing any kind of stuff. Yeah, it is already installed. It is showing it is already installed because you don't understand what package it is. So you have to tell in a package way like RPM -Q yes FTPD. So this is the package name. You have to upgrade with the package name or a new one is you have to do this. This is verification. I tried like this. Okay. We don't have any package available. Next, how to remove it? RPM -EV VS FTPD. Okay, it is saying it is removed. If it is removed, there is a few more things like you have to check it. System CTL status. I didn't done that one. No? So VS FTPD service could not found. Okay, no problem. So we removed it. So RPM -Q VS FTPD. What it is saying? Not installed. Or you can say not installed. D not installed. Okay. So this is how to remove a package. How to remove a package. Should be done this. RPM for removing. This is for checking services there are not. This is PSFTP. This is for querying. Same guys, HTTP also will try. Successfully I installed this dependency. Okay, query also working. So look at here. Few things I want to show you. ls space /var/ www html. So this is the package is there. It is not throwing any error. Next, systemctl status httpd. The service is running, or at least it is showing some service. Okay, so this is the second thing. So it means HTTP is installed and it is running, and there is a folder is also there. Remember this one. Okay, next rpm -qd httpd. The related documents also there. USR shared documents are there. Okay, service is there. The documents are there. Okay, so that related folder is also there. www.html folder is there. Okay, so we'll see that. Now upgrade rpm space -u vh httpd. If you have upgradation package, then it will upgrade, otherwise it won't upgrade. Okay, it is asking to upgrade certain other things also required. I'm not doing anything. I'm removing -ev http d. So it is preparation, uninstall the package. So what are the things are there? Earlier we seen, it is not there now. So right, so rpm -q httpd not installed, not installed. Next, ls space /var/ www. See, www is not showing here. Earlier it is there, now it is not showing. Otherwise I will type directly no such a file or directory. Next, rpm space -q d httpd. So you can't see the documents, it is showing not installed. Next, services systemctl status httpd. Sorry, mistake. Could not form. Same command, no spelling mistakes. Could not form. Meaning is you uninstalled successfully. Okay, so this is a package management. So what is the meaning of package management? Installing a package and check the package, resolve the dependencies, upgrade the package, update the package, or upgrade the package. Okay, if not required, no longer required, uninstall the package. With so many input kind of stuff, so it will may confuse. Look at this is uninstalling. So as I showed earlier, like a ls space, that kind of stuff is not showing here. Okay. More data on the screen will give you more volume. That's just. Okay, now it is showing not installed. It is showing service is not available. It is showing services like this. Okay. Even the service command also I given, so that is defined here. It is. I started a service actually. It shows either it is active or dead, no problem. But service is there. You don't start the service. Showing. rhel, I start the service. That's it is showing like this. Whatever it is, guys, I totally page is more clumsy. So I will tell once again, guys, last point. I will take lunch break and I will tell yum installation in afternoon. Okay. So very simple it is. RPM is a command to install RPM package. Understand? It's a command to install RPM packages. First point. RPM packages look like this. So a package version. What is the version? Version number and what architecture releases. Okay, release architecture and finally RPM. Okay, different versions are there. Already we've seen for a FTP and all. Next package to install a packages. May require to install dependency packages. So remember this point. Next. So install command is RPM hyphen I. I is important. VH is additional point. Verbose and print hash marks kind of stuff. Okay. So and package. Whatever it is, finally RPM. Okay. Next query. Before and after doing query is important. RPM hyphen Q packages. Okay, package is enough. That's the package name is enough. Or you want to put a star, you can. That is your wish. Star, no star, your wish. But in queries, lot of things are there. QA, QD, D for a documents. QI installed or not. QIP for a package kind of stuff. Update or a upgrade is RPM hyphen capital U VH a package. That's it. Or you can use or also. Or you can use package star. Or you can tell package name also, no problem. Okay. Star means all combinations. If anything, problem is there. Package name, package version, something. Dot RPM kind of stuff, whatever it is. Okay. So I'm not typing everything. So just understand. It's important. Remove or uninstall. Whatever I done in a practically, that is I'm trying to explain. Cortana, you're a waste fellow. The most useless feature in Windows 10 is Cortana only. Again, it will open. See, this is for removing it. After removing it, compulsory check the query. Compulsory check the queries. The service management and all, I will tell in a Sir, I told no service management time. Just I told it. Okay, guys, this is management for a VS FTP. I done like this. See, first of all, I queried this package. This particular package is installed or not. Next, I verified. I installed the package. Next, I verified again this package is installed or not. Okay, I'm trying to update, but new. I don't have any new version of this particular package. IVF. I removed this package and again I verified the package is removed or not. So that is the practical we have done. Guys, understand, not understand, not at all understand? Do you want any other example? Hmm?
Sir, understand.
Understand? So take a break, be back at 3 o'clock. Okay. Be there at 3 o'clock, tell to others also. Okay. So be there. So only, okay, 7 members are there. I want everyone. So means if they have a problem, then that is different point. So I only know Pragati not feeling well. I don't know about remaining people. So tell people to join by 3, 3, 5, 3:10 maximum. Then we will start. So I will start with M and also I will tell about complete package management. Then HTTP, FTP I will tell. Okay. That's it. Okay. Have a lunch. Come back fast. So I don't take much time because